Alright, I had to take that long plastic piece off. It's right there. So I can get access to the 2 bolts for the bottom fender. And this is the only really mangled piece I've got to straighten up right there. It's kind of noisy in here with the fan, but I'll deal with it. Alright, a few light taps with the hammer. Got her pretty straight. Now we've got all these brackets here straight. So now let's see if the fender will fit on there. Alright, there's the driver's fender. It's got a pretty good gap. Pretty good door gap. It's all bolted up. I don't have an inner fender or anything in it, that's why you can see light through there. But it's all bolted up. I'm going to temporarily hook the marker light up so I can drive it today, so I can go to physical therapy. And the only thing I can see I got to do is I got to tweak this corner around. See how it's got a little gap? I got to twist that corner in, which is no big deal. These things here are notorious. If you are working on it, you lean on that and it'll tweak it. I closed a little bit of it up, just doing that. Now there we go. 1 door, actually 2 doors and 1 fender. Let me stand back so you can see it a little better. Go down and price some paint maybe tomorrow. And pick a quart of paint. Probably a pint of paint will do it, because I'm going to seal it in silver. And it won't take just a couple of quarts to seal it. And then that'll be it. Alrighty.